Testing 1 2. Let me check and see. Okay, right now, if you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me here. Okay, I'm checking on the. Yep. Why is my head so big? Yep. Alright, that's bigger. Testing 1 2. If you can hear me, say hi, David. Make sure that you can hear. I don't see any message here right now. It's so big. Yeah, I think can, right? Wait for a while. Let me check on the live. Okay, I can see Adrian here, Vincent here, and Ruby here. Hi guys, nice to meet you. I mean, I can't see you, but you can see me. Okay guys, so today live here. While waiting everyone to come in, let me go to the charts here and see. I can see Ruby. Okay, those that you already in, let me know. Okay, we go back. While waiting everyone comes in right now, 8:01. So we are going to start at 8:03. Blessed evening. Yeah, it's blessed. Thank you, Vincent. Okay, guys. So while waiting everyone to come in, right? Let me check and see, guys. If you hear me, right, please update with me how many % of your portfolio in your crypto right now. For example, right now you're holding around about maybe 100. If you're having 100K for crypto, let me know how many percentage right now you're holding it. Let's say you have 30% already in spots, or maybe 50%, or maybe 100%. Let me know. How Pori? Crypto Zone. Good to see you. Good to see you too. Okay. Okay. So let me check and see. I'm waiting everyone. You know, when you're using YouTube, right, they respond a bit delayed, which is very hard for me to talk. Okay, guys. The bull wave, the bull wave still can use. Nah. Let me check and see whether the indicator can functions. Leaf. Scripts. Yeah, it's red. Damn. Every time it's red. Okay. Cannot hear, is it full? Can speak louder. My sound, everything's good? Let me check and see. Double check and see my sound, everything is good. If it's a sound is good, type good, let me know. Hi Malar, hi Fu. Okay. So we are going to start at 8:03. Good. So let's start right now. Okay. The bull wave, right? This indicator is like fucking hard to use. It's really very hard for me to publish. Sounds okay, right? Okay, guys. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me try and see whether I can. Okay. Okay, right now I'm on the bull wave indicators. Okay, this bull wave indicator basically, right? I'm trying to make it public, but doesn't work. It keep on getting banned, and I don't know why. Okay, it keeps on like I'm trying to publish it, but it's very hard for me to publish. So if you want to use this indicator, basically you can just go to the description there. Okay, look for this one. Okay, let me Let me try and look for algo plus strategy list. Okay, this is basically all this. This is algo plus strategy list. Okay, let me change it. Change the link first because the previous link is not working right now. Okay, you can see, right, I'm trying to publish all the strategy, but it's not working. So I only can publish a private one. So here's the private one. Okay. So this is the indicator link, right? If you want to have this indicator link, you just go to any of my videos. You just look for this Algo Plus strategy list by David Gerstein. You can see the blue wave here. Okay, the blue wave here. You can see there's a. You can just click on this one, and what you can see is the indicator. So you just add this into your favorite, so that you can see this indicator link at this place. Okay, so every time, guys, when we're in live, right, we are focusing what we are focusing into whether are we in the right trend or not. That's the first thing. Okay, the market goes sideways. I would say it's a big sideways, but it goes sideways for almost like half a year. Okay, it's like half a year already. So lots of you, I don't know whether you're holding your spot right now or you're not holding your spot already. So everything off. I'm not so sure about it. So, but first of all, for me, right now I'm still holding most of my spot. Okay, I'm still holding most of my spot. One of the reason is because if you participate on the last 2 week crypto pathway, okay, it's about 2 weeks ago, and I'm saying that 61,000 above you can buy your Bitcoin because it shows uptrend, and I believe that it will go as high as 82k, but okay, during 61k, so I believe that it go as high as 82, but somehow it doesn't go up. It goes a bit. Yes, it's only went up somewhere about how many percent? Let me see, about 8%. It's only went up 8%. Okay, somewhere 61k, right? 61k around here. Okay, it went up 8%. Then right now it having a small retracement, and this retracement right now in DL strategy, in bull wave strategy, it's having a short signal here. Okay, it is having a short signal here. So when it's having a short signal here, is it going to be the same thing like this, having a short signal and the price will crash down? In the previous one, it crashed down. How much it crashed down? It crashed down 11%. Is it Bitcoin is having the same happening again, that this is going to have a crash from here to here, another 8%? Here we are here today to study about this one. Okay, are you ready to start? If you're ready to start, tap ready, let me know. So based on previously start early of the year, March, okay, when you see there's a red signal here, it tells you that it goes down. Normally go as low as 14% the first time, then after that it go 18% the second time, 18% the second time, and the third time is here, about 18% plus minus. Wow, painful experience, isn't it? But this is the fourth times, it goes down at 12%. Wow, the accuracy is like freaking high, right? Out of 4 times of red signals, at least it goes down for 14 to 18%. Interesting. Then next, when it shows green signal here, it went up a bit, 10%. Here now, it went up 8%, and here no, here has a false signal and came back down here. Okay, and here it went up like 10%. So indirectly we can see that when a signal shows up, right, out of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, out of 9 signal, 8 successfully make 10% of profit and above. Do you agree about this one? Out of 10 signals, okay, you are 8 of it successfully make at least 10% of it. Am I right? But only once fail, that doesn't make money, make a bit lah, I would say, maybe less than 1%. Okay, so right now the red color here right now, it shows a signal. This is always, if you want to talk about this one, we always say that this is what we call DL strategies. Okay, DL strategies. So when DL strategies, right, you can see if it goes down to 10%, it's somewhere 54k. Somewhere 54k. So when you're facing, like, looking at this indicator, you're seeing that, hey David, so should I sell all my Bitcoin? Should I just dump everything off? And maybe the bear market is here. Okay, today this topic is a bit special. The topic is called as, is it bear market already here? You know, when we talk about these ideas about, is it bear market, is it here, right? How many of you have this concern? If you have this concern, you type concern, let me know. You have the concern like, is it bear market already? Is it changing trend already? Bull is not coming now. Maybe this bull is going to end. Early bear is coming in. How many of you are thinking about this one? If you have this worry, you have this concern, type concern, let me know. You know, I believe that lots of people are worried about it because of, you can see, right, based on the price actions, right, based on price action, you can see that the price of the tip, the price of the top price, the resistance price is getting lower and lower, except this one broke higher. This one broke higher. Okay, next, support, yes, is getting lower and lower and lower. The support is getting lower and lower, but here it went up. So it went up. So what I can see right now, right? Okay, what I can see right now, right? Okay, I'm going to give you two options. First option, it's about, as long as Bitcoin stand at 57,000, okay, as long as Bitcoin stand at 57,000, it's good for you to buy. For me, I will long around this area. I will definitely long around this area. Got it? Okay, this is option one. Okay, I'm changing my graph first. Hi Jess, long time no see. Okay, so guys, give me a minute. I want to change your graph first. I remember here I already draw, right? Where's all my line? Missing. Weird. Okay, hi Jess. Okay, come. So guys, okay, right now, right? Looks good. Okay, so I'm looking at somewhere between 58k. So be straightforward, 57,000, make it 58 easier. Okay, this is I'm really interested on this price. If you say, David, if you want to go for a long, or if you want to buy Bitcoin, right, guys, 58,000, 57,800, this is a good price. But please remember, the price that are given to you, right, you don't go exactly the same price that are given. No, because, right, when everyone putting in the same price together, right, normally it doesn't happen. So you can go something higher, maybe 58.5, maybe 58.2. This is a very good price for you to buy some Bitcoin. Okay, this is one of the options. The second options, say, David, if it's like, so is it going to bear market right now? Is it going to bear market? I would say as long as it stands above 57,800, this is still a bull market. Don't worry about it. The reason is because you need to look at another one, the trend line. Okay, look at the trend line. Okay, so just saying, I bought because it's still good to hold for. Just hold it. For me, I'm still holding it. Okay, just, I know that some of us, right, I bought it at 61,000. It went up to be it went up from 62 onwards. Is that here or here? 61,000 plus. It went up here. It go as high as 4 to 5%. As long as first we are saying that we want to target somewhere 82 to 89,000, but right now it is having a small retracement. If it's having this retracement, right, okay, maybe some of you may be having some concern about whether I want to continue to hold it or not, because the trend is like changing. And right now you can see in DL, in the bull wave, it shows a signal that it is going downwards. Okay, so for me, the best thing I would say, as long as 58k is good. If you bought somewhere between 62,000, I would ask you, is it okay for you to take in somewhere 7% of stop loss? Just if it's a 7% of stop loss is okay for you, go ahead. As long as it stands above this orange line, it's still safe. Is it clear? Good. Just you bought 66,000. Oh my god, that one is painful. You bought the highest price. This is a FOMO. Okay, fine. 66,000 is a very. You went up to go as high as 66. No, right? Here is 64 only. What? 66 is like last. Or yeah, it went up to 66. Came back down and went up back to 64 and came down here. Okay. Okay. If it's 66, right, I think that depends on you really. Okay, you make your decision yourself like this one. Okay, it's too high already. That time we aim like as long as 61, 62 is good, but 66 is really too high because 66 is like the 66 normally is the place for us to short. Okay, but never mind. We just leave it first. Okay, come back here. Okay, why is it 66 for us to shorts, right? Because first of all, it's about 62,000 is the first resistance point. Up to 65 and down. Hi Diana, long time no see. Okay, Diana, later I explain to you that. Okay, for the indicator wise. First of all, we come back here. So the options one, I typed down the options. Don't confuse yourself. Options are. If you still haven't got your spot right, buying price is good somewhere around 68,000, 58,000 plus. Okay, it's good to buy. Anything below for more than 1 day, downtrend. Bear is coming. I'm looking into bear. Anything below 57,000. Okay, got it. That's all. The reason why am I looking at somewhere around this price? The reason is because there is a trend line here, and also Fibonacci is here. At the same time, small time frame, there's a divergence forming in 6 hours. So I believe that once it forms, it will goes up back. Okay, so if you talk about, this is what we call spots. If you talk about futures, if you talk about futures, right, I'm saying this is good. This is a good price for you to go for a long with a stop loss of like 4% of stop loss. Aim higher. If you want real, okay, if you want real bull market to have to comes back, right, you need to break the previous resistance. Okay, until now, at first we thought of like here it continue breaks up, but it didn't. Okay, we successfully predict that here it went up. Okay, but I'm looking for somewhere higher, but it didn't. It comes a retracement. Okay, right now we are standing on the retracement. So that's why I'm saying that the retracement can go as low as 58,000. It's still acceptable. Okay. Again, retracement is acceptable as low as 58,000. Okay. If it go below 57 plus, I would say sorry, guys. If it breaks this trend line, sorry, guys, the bear is here. The bear is here. I'm seeing that anything below 48. Okay. Option 1, option 2. I don't know whether Okay, anything if it breaks 57,000 and below, 57,008 and below, okay, I would say bear is here. Bear is here. You need to either, what is your decision making? You need to short your spot 1x, or you need to sell your spot, because I'm looking at somewhere 40 plus. Got it? So 8,000 is the final support price. Is that clear? If it's clear, type clear, let me know. Okay, good. So one of the Dina asking about how can I get this indicator, the bull wave indicator. Is it the bull wave indicator here? Wait, let me see. Okay, so when we talk about these bull wave indicators, right, very easy. Okay, because if you search for indicators, right, I don't know why TradingView keep on stopping me to publish the public indicator. So what can I do is I make it into private, then they're okay for it. So what can you do right now? Very easy. You just need to go into my Algo Plus strategy list. You just go any one of the top videos, latest videos here. You just go into descriptions and you can see Algo Plus strategy list. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, copy. I see whether I can paste it here in the screen here so you can see it. Okay, good. So guys, this is the spreadsheet links. You just click it into the spreadsheet links and you can see the trading view here. The bull wave, you can see the bull wave, right? You copy this one, you just click this and it go to this indicator. Add this indicator into your favorites. Can you see that? Add into your favorite. I can see lots of people adding, so that after that you go back to your chart here, you type the bull wave. Okay, then you can see it here. Got it? Good. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so this is option 2. If it breaks below, so for me right now, right, you say, David, are you still looking into bull market? I am still looking into a bull market. Yes. Okay, but you are saying, David, is it possible that it's going to crash down first, only goes up? We don't know. Okay, the biggest drop for the current one, I would say somewhere between 43,500. That is the bottom support. If you think that it is going to crash down first, 43,500 is a good price for you to aim, but that is too far away. If you want to aim for 43,500, I'm going to tell you that, please, okay, please, this is too far away. You are going to have a very painful experience. I don't want it to be happen. So I'm saying that 57, 58, 57 is still good. As long as it stands around this trend line, this is still good. Okay, very easy to understand, right? Why am I looking at this price? First thing, normally when we are looking at trend line, right, which means that it's going to tell you that, okay, this is what we call trend line. Okay, so when this trend line tells me, right, as long as break this thing, it tells me that this trend line is going down. This is a bear market trend line. As long as it breaks somewhere 68,000, I'm going to tell you that the bull is going to come back. Okay, but right now it doesn't happen because the trend line, this is like a ceiling that keep on blocking it to go up. Okay, and also you can see, right, the support is going lower and lower and lower. Support is getting lower and lower, which means that the people that are going to buy is getting lower and lower and lower, which is not a good sign. Until I see this happen, which means that the support getting higher. This is a sign of, I didn't close the door. Okay, this is the sign of changing trend. It's gonna raise up back. Okay, that's the reason why am I asking everyone 61,000, 62,000. When the trend change, you need to buy up and I believe that if it broke, everything gonna go back. It is gonna go up back to 89,000, 82,000 plus minus that. Is that clear? Good, So that's the only decision that you need to take a look. Got it? So this, okay, option 1, option 2 clear. But we really don't know whether it's gonna have a bear trap. It's gonna have a bull market traps, which means that it's gonna crash another down, only goes up at. That is still a chances. Okay, because the support is here, right? If we go somewhere lower a bit, 43 is still acceptable. Because Bitcoin went up from what? From 20,000 shoots up to 60. If it goes back to 40,000, it's still acceptable. It's still acceptable. Okay, maybe there is a bull trap, we don't know. Okay, but what I can see, right, as long as stay at this first, you can go for a long trade, which is still worth it. It's very worth it. Okay, 4% of stop loss is freaking worth it. Okay, then next. So this is option 1 and option 2. Then when I'm looking at, let's say, DL strategy here, the bull wave strategy here. Okay, someone said that, David, I saw that there is a red triangle, which means that soon it is going to go down. Soon it's going to go down. Yes, this is the first sign. But don't forget, the wave is still green. Remember I said before, the bull wave is mean that as long as the green wave, the bull is still here. If it's a red wave, the bull is not here. So you can see, right, why this green color make you lose money. Because it overshots a bit. Then afterwards, because the wave is still red in color, it come back down and continue go down. Got it? So this is the first signal, the wave is the second signal. So as long as the wave is still there, it's still okay. But if it's once the wave turns red, guys, run. Okay? Good. That's the trend. Okay, so this is the planning that I'm going to do. This is my planning for spots and also my futures. In my futures, I already mentioned to everyone, this is the risk and reward trade that I'm looking. Okay, 58,000 plus, you can go in, stop loss 4%, limit it, just aim. And where's your resistance? Okay, you want to have 1 to 3, it's good. You want to have 1 to 4, also it's good. Okay, either one is good. Okay, wait. For what I want to say, right? If it go down straight away to here, okay, if it go down straight away to here, right? The first TP point is 62,003. Okay, this is 1 to 1.5. 1 to 1.5, you can take your 50% of profit first. The balance, you can just let it fly. But always remember, where is the strongest resistance? This one. First, okay, first resistance here, second, and the third one, the last one. Anything break above, congratulations. Bull is here, confirm. Got it? Is that clear? Type clear, let me know. Then after the second thing, I see some of you haven't joined yet. How many of you already participate to join the WSOT? If you already participate the WSOT, you type yes, let me know. But if it's haven't, please click on the link and join the WSOT. Hey guys, don't waste it. You know, this is really 1 year once. You need to join the competitions. I'm going to tell you that you are definitely going to learn a lot in these competitions, because in our Discord every month, okay, the Bybit link I already sent it out. Okay, in the whole competitions, right, every single day we are having a live. We're having live sections that you join into the live sections every single day. We have some of them is Chinese, of course. There's the Chinese, there's English one. Okay, English is covered by Kongming and me. Okay, so we are going to focus like aiming the price we want. We want to win the competitions. So let's join the competitions. Okay, even though you don't trade, doesn't matter. As long as you join the competitions, then you message or support, this, you say that you want to join the Discord. Okay, you join our Discord, then you can see all the live itself. Good. Clear? Any question first? Wow, 30 minutes for today. So some of you may be asking about, David, how about Ethereum? Mala Sartra, fund trading in English. Ayo. Yes, I'm planning to do it during November, Mala. During November. Okay, because this 2 days, maybe this Saturday, Sunday, how many of you participate in the hackathon? And those that haven't participated in the hackathon, I tell you that it's freaking waste, you know. The prop trading hackathon from Prop W. Yep, this is the one. Okay, okay. Some of you, how many of you don't know about this? Who don't know about this? You let me know. A prop trading hackathons that that you can just get funded and you trade and you take the biggest portions. I think I'm going to organize this 2 days hackathon during November. Let me plan the date first. Okay, let me plan the date. Okay, what hackathon is it, guys? Wait, let me see here. Okay, hackathon, basically this prop trading hackathon, what I did was, you know, in this year, CoinW came up with one of the this challenge that you can try to fight this challenge to get you can get funded. What do you mean by getting funded? For example, let's say you pay $300. Okay, $300. Okay, you so many links to sign up. Yeah, you need to use our link, because if not, right, you need to use our link. The reason is because if not, right, I can't there's a promotion that later I can't trace your result. I can't help you. Let me find is there a link there? Damn, I think no one give me support. I'm gonna queue everyone. Let me find the link so that you all can join it. Just you can try and see, you know. Okay, those that you haven't participated. Okay. Oh damn, I really cannot find. It's a coin. No, I send my link here easier. Okay. Give me a minute. Let me find the link here. Why so many links? Weird. Wait, let me find the link first so that I can. Let me check and see whether the link is correct or not. Diana is coming, is it? I think this is the link. Okay, this is a CoinW link. Okay, so what is it about? Yes, have to be okay. Yes, Mala have to be the link that I given, because later on they will give you some promotion voucher, so it will be cheaper. Okay, first of all, what is this Prop W? First thing, how do you get funded? Other people fund, you profit sharing yourself. For example, here, take a look here. If you say that you want to get funded with 50K, right, you need to pay $300. Okay, $300. And these $300, right, what you need to do, the first challenge is 8%. You just need to target profit 8%, and your maximum drawdown cannot be more than 10%. That's all. Maximum drawdown cannot be more than 10%, and you make 8%, you got your first challenge. And the second challenge is only 5%. So once completed, right, both challenge, right, you got funded with 50,000. Every single cent that you make based from this 50,000, right, you will be having 80% of profit sharing. Interesting? For example, you know, for me, right, I only use one time. I only got in one time, I successfully funded. That's all. One chances. I mean, I only use one chances. Okay, easier again. Profit target, first one 8%, which means, let's say I got funded with 50K. Okay, the first challenge is, which means it's a demo account. This demo account, you need to make 4K. That's all. No time limit. Once you make 4K, second challenge, you need to only make 2.5K. So once completed, after the third, until the third time when you got funded this 50,000, every single day, every single money that you make, let's say you use 50,000 to make, you make 10,000, you are going to have a profit sharing of 80%. Interesting? Use other people 50,000, and then you make 10,000, you got 8,000 in share. Okay? But even though on the third phrases, your 50,000, if you lose all your money, or you only can lose 10%. If you lose 5,000, okay, fine, you fail. You need to take the exam again. But what is interesting is your cost is only $300, man. Okay, and why Mala asking me about, am I having the class for it? I'm having a 2 days hackathon. This hackathon is to guide you single step by step, how do you aim for this 100K? You know, what we want is about to build 1,000 people with 100K funded. This is what we want to build. That's why we're coming up with a hackathon, so that every one of you can becomes the funded trader. That's our aim. You know, imagine, right? You got 100K on your hand. You only make 10% every month. You got 8,000 on your hand. Because 10K, 100K, you make 10K. 10K, can I ask guys? 10K. 100K, make 10K. Is it hard? Not hard, right? Then you get 8,000 as profit sharings. Every single 14 days, you can withdraw that money. I already got to withdraw once, because I just participated like almost 1 month. I got to withdraw once already. Successfully withdraw, successfully spend too. Okay, minimum trading day, that one is very easy to counter. Like, just as long as you just need to trade, opens up a minimum trade for 5 days, that's all. Every single day you open 5 trades. Every single day you open 1 trade. You make 5 times, that's all. Okay, I will get to announce to guys. Once I got the English hackathons, I will get to announce to everyone, so that if you want, you can participate. Maybe I do it online or offline. That depends first. Okay, so if those that are, but next 2 days we are having a Chinese one for the prop trading hackathon. We will guide everyone to get success in funded account. And what I want is to making sure that everyone, maybe you can get started with 25K, but I want your final goal is to aim 100,000. Let's say I'm having 1,000 students that are having 100K. Interesting. You know what is really interesting about prop tradings, right? It's more like, if you lose money, you don't feel pain. If you don't feel pain, you can be very emotionless. You can make trading with very rational. That is the biggest fun, man. Opens up a trade, let the profit fly, and just leave it there with the proper stop loss. Everything based on calculations. Yeah, but sorry, I'm not selling class because I'm not having class right now. Okay, okay. So someone asked me about David summary. I think you can watch back, right, Casey? The summary is very easy. why not I cover the Ethereum like this first? I cover the Ethereum first. Okay, guys. Let me cover the Ethereum first because the Ethereum's, I think this thing, right, is very hard. Okay. Ethereum right now, we are at the price of 2,385. And you're asking me, David, what price should I aim? Okay, the best price I'm aiming is 2,200. You just make it at 2,200 in between. That is the last support is 2180. Okay, last support is 2180. This is a good price for you to aim to go for long. Okay, but always remember, I always say that don't go for exact price. Maybe 2230 also can, but stop loss somewhere between like this. Go for long. Okay, this is a price target. AJJ, can you trade other coin other than Bitcoin? Yes, you got, that's like 15 to 20 pairs, I think. Okay, there's lots of pairs inside. Good, but make sure that you register based on the CoinW link, because of soon later, once we have promotion, we can just let it send you the vouchers, everything. If not, I can't send you at all. Good. So Ethereum clear. Ethereum is about 2180 is my best support. If you see this price, you can just buy it in. Okay, just buy in. But if you say, David, if you're having spot right now, should you sell? I would say, guys, it's okay. At the current price, the price difference is only about 5%. Just leave it if it's spot. Okay, if it's spot. If you say, David, should I go for a short right now? I would say no. If you really want to go for a short right now, right, you want to take a bit of risk, right? I would say anything below 2320 with a stop loss like this. This is a short-term trade. This is a short-term trade. Risk and reward ratio 1-to-1 first. 1-to-1 ratio, take 50% of profit. The other let the profit fly. And here 2180, you need to PDP. You need to take all the profits. Again, I'm going too fast right now. If it's went down here, somewhere between 2320, you can go for a short. But remember, you have to be standing there more than 4 hours. As long as stand here more than 4 hours, you go for a short here, which is good. But remember, 1-to-1 take profit first. 1-to-1 take profit first. Again, 1-to-1 take profit. This is a short-term trade. 1-to-1 take profit first. The balance aim this TP 2180 or maybe 2200 Okay, 2200, doesn't matter, just somewhere around here. Then put your safety pin in your entry price. Is that clear for Ethereum? Is it clear? If it's clear, type clear, let me know. Good. Good. If it's good, type good, let me know. Okay, Ethereum's like this. I need to write down first, if not I forget again. Okay, so short if break trend line. So stop loss somewhere between stop loss 2%. Okay, TP 1-to-1 and TP 21,200. 2200. Okay, that are shorts. If you want to go long aim for 2200. Stop loss 4% below. Aim bull market. Done. I want to save it as least. I call for trades, right? Okay, I call for a trade. At least I remember. If not, I can't remember at all. Okay. So for those that you want proper trades, I mean you want more trading calls, right? I would say that please join the Discord. Okay, join the Discord. You just click on WhatsApp, text the support team, you say you're going to join Discord, they will tell you what to do. Okay, join the Discord in these WSOT competitions, guys. Those that came in late, right? Those that came in late, remember, join the WSOT competitions. I'm going to tell you that this competition is going to change a lot of people ideas and pathway and knowledges in trading. The reason because of these competitions, right? You have a same thinking together. Then you always, if you follow me in this 21 days of challenge, right? You can see that these 21 days, right? You know how to make your own decisions already. So when you know how to make your decisions ready, right, you are going to trade really, really well, man. Okay, so don't miss out this 21-day challenge in WSOT private competitions. Go to support team, ask them, you want to join in the Discord? Okay, good. Sony asking about how about blue wave showing green triangle for BNB, which is oops, serious? I never know. Let me see. Okay, Sony, you need to see if there's a green signal, which is quite good, with double green, which is quite good. But you need to ask yourself whether this indicator is suitable for BNB or not. So how can you look into it? Okay, when the green wave is here, a lot of red one you need to ignore. 1, 2, 3, all are fake one. Can you see that? But the green one is for you to aim. Got it? Okay, here is something that you're gonna miss. Okay, but the red one shows up and the grid red signal, there's a chance here. So right now, for me, right, if you say about here, you know BNB are going sideways. When BNB going sideways like this, wow, I see BNB is interesting. Thank you for telling me. This is a day chart, is it? Damn, I see. Guys, what do you see? I see, what I see is a ascending triangle. Can you see ascending triangle? Interesting. It's very interesting. Sonny, this ascending triangle is a bit obvious, man. For me, I will consider to buy it. I will consider buying. Okay, but it's still going sideways, I would say. But somehow I will consider buying. Good. Follow the green one. You know why you need to follow green one? Because the wave is still green. Okay, if it's against, then against, I would say it doesn't matter. Okay, you need to calculate. Actually, sometimes, right, going up or down, right, it's not so important anymore. What is important? It is more like you plan your stop loss. What is the stop loss? Anything below the line, stop loss. Okay, 3.66%. Are you willing to risk this 3.66%? If you are willing to risk, then go ahead. If you are not willing to risk, right, then don't go. Correct or not? Everything is just about are you willing to risk or not. Collect swap. Okay? Good? But it's worth it. I mean, it's really worth it, 3 to 4% of stop loss. Okay, that's all. Small risk. Red with red color signal, it tells you it goes down. When it goes down, it go very obvious. Can you see that? Here to here, 10%. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for everyone's time. It's already 8:50. I hope that you got your answer ready. You know what to do ready. Guys, I would say, right, yes, everyone is worried about whether it's bull market, whether it's bear market, whatever. For what I'm saying, that it's still going on the side. It's still going on side. As long as it stands still, I would say as long as it stands still 58K, it's still good for you to hold it. Anything below 58K, I'm looking at somewhere 43. Okay. Resistance have to break 66 first. That's the biggest resistance. At first, right, it broke here, right? But damn, we thought that it really continued goes up, but got cheated and come down back. Okay, but never mind. As long as it stands above here, the bull is still here. So don't worry about whether it's bear or bull right now. What you need to know is we are going on sideways. Okay, very easy. Okay, very easy. Here, go down. Here onwards. Okay, here onwards 57 onwards, I would say 57 onwards. Here onwards it go down. Okay, then again I put another one. Okay, 67 onwards it goes up. So here maybe, okay, so right now we are going on sideways. So when we are going on sideways, right, the best thing what we can say, right, right now we are in middle. You don't make a decision first. For me, I would prefer you to go for a long here if it's go down. The reason, because the risk and reward is not strong. Okay, but if it doesn't go down, it straight away bends up and break here and here, continue go up. I would say if it brokens up, congratulations, because you're still holding your spot, you already make money, correct? Then from here onwards, you can keep on continue go for long. That's all. You don't need to be very very single directional trend mindset that keep on thinking that it will go up or go down. Right now we are still in the side market. Just wait for it to break up. Just wait for it to break out. Okay. Good. So that's all for today. Don't confuse too much. Don't worry too much, I would say. Thanks a lot. Ciao.